Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel CS and IT Tutorials by Vrishali. So last lecture we have discussed about hill climbing search with Sol example. I have attached a complete AI playlist link in below description box. Now in today's session we will discuss our next topic, that is local beam search. Let's start the session. So today's session we will discuss first about local beam search, their Sol example, algorithm, advantages and disadvantages, and at the end some important question bank. Let's see all these points one by one. Now what exactly local beam search algorithm? So as we discussed in last lecture, hill climbing search. So in hill climbing search, they choose the one path from several possible path, right? But sometimes what happen, that particular algorithm is reached to the local maximum state. Means after particular point, there is no any possible solution to reach towards the goal. They stuck there. So to solving this kind of problem, local beam search algorithm is there. Local beam search is one of the local search algorithm and to solve the optimization problem. It means that they find out the best solution among all possible states and always use the highest evaluation value. So local beam represent a limited number of states. For example, while solving example, we are taking the value of k. Suppose k equal to 3 means they find out the k best state to find out the best solution among them. So at that time local beam search algorithm is used. So basically it reduces the problem by exploring multiple promising states and find out the best among them. So let's understand with Sol example. See here. So this is your given diagram, that is tree data structure, and consider the following this state space and a local beam search k equal to 2. This value is already given. Means you have to find out or explore two possible states at the same time. Okay. And you have to find out the best state. So let's see how to solve this. So initially starting with A, that is your initial state. So your first step is expand A. You have to explore all possible nodes which are starting from A. So your k equal to value is 2. Okay. So exploring all the nodes from A, that is B, C and D. And their evaluation values have already given, like B equal to 15, C equal to 12 and D equal to 8. Now give the ranking as per their value. Like highest value is 15, their rank is 1. After that 12, after that 8. Like 1, 2 and 3. So you have to explore k equal to 2 means 2 top 2 value at a time. Okay. So your beam is B and C. The value is 15 and 12. In hill climbing, we are exploring only one value at a time, right? But in local beam search, we are exploring k value at a time. So the beam equal to B and C. Now next step is expand B and C. So expand B, so after that E and F, and expand C, after that G and H. Means there are total 4 nodes now. Highest is 25, that is H equal to 25, then E equal to 20, then F equal to 17 and G equal to 14, right? Arrange all these nodes as per their evaluation value. Now again, which one are the top two? H and E. So next beam is H and E. Means you have to expand H and E node now. Okay. So expand H and E. So there is no any successor nodes or no any child nodes are present after H and E, right? So you have to find out best one from H and E. So this final beam is H and E. So value of H is 25, value of E is 20. So which one has the highest maximum value? That is 25. So best state of H equal to 25. Now as per the local beam search algorithm steps, see here. So we have already used this step while solving the example. Like start with K, evaluate all the K states, generate their successor node, combine all these successor nodes and evaluate it. So you have to repeat all this step until you reach your goal and find out the optimal solution, right? You have to find out the final optimal solution which having the highest value. Now let's discuss advantages and disadvantages of local beam search. So here, as compared to hill climbing, it does not depend only on one state. It explore all the multiple states, right? Then they are using the concept of beam to explore a different region and their search space. Then it can find out a good solution for larger searching space area. And as per the disadvantages, they required higher memory requirement because they stored all the nodes with their evaluation value. Then choosing k value is most important, right? And diversity can be lost if there are large number of data. So as per the previous year question paper, they have asked like explain local search beam with example for 4 marks. So you have to explain it with example. Or another question, what is local search optimization problem? Explain local search beam with example for 6 marks. So prepare accordingly. So this is all about. Thank you. All the best and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.